Hi, this is an urgent release from Cynthia Selva, Breakthrough. Use this step-by-step system to produce one bank-breaking website after another, with ease. Sleep better at night knowing you have websites making money for you 24/7. Dear friend, how would you like to learn a simple system that you can use to easily start creating your own hot-selling reports and start making a fortune with them with simply connect the dots sales systems? If you think that sounds good, then keep watching as you are about to find out exactly how to do that, no matter what your experience level is. Getting a product and setting up profitable websites is not as hard as everybody makes it seem. It only requires that you have information that works. That's it. Once you have a system that works and is not a load of bull, all you have to do is follow the steps, and churn out one money-making website after another, like an assembly line. But here's the real secret. Click the link below to get instant access. Once you have this system going, you can duplicate it. And that's where the real money comes in. Think if you had 10 or so websites set up, selling products that you own 24 hours a day, every day no matter what you are doing. It is easier than you think. Everybody has been making this whole concept seem much harder than it actually is. I'm here to simplify things for you. I have been launching different products and offers for years that have all made me easy money. Products that I did not create and that did not cost me a fortune to acquire. Nor did they take much time or expertise to set up and make profitable. Yet they made me enough money so far this year, that I could have lived comfortably all year just on their income, without any of the other ventures I have going on. This can be you too, that's how powerful this system is. And I want to share this secret system with you. Introducing Easy Cash Blueprint. Easy Cash Blueprint is a powerful new report where I'll reveal a simple way for you to have a growing number of profitable websites that make money for you on autopilot. I am not talking about Google AdSense or affiliate programs. I am talking about products you own and make money on. While affiliate programs are nice, you are risking your business by putting it in somebody else's hands. This report literally is a connect-the-dots blueprint for creating a products and sites to sell them like crazy. Everybody knows that the real money is when you own the product. Inside this new report I am going to tell you his exact steps that he uses to release new hot products consistently. But the best part is, you don't need your own products. You don't have to be a writer or programmer. I will show you how to get your own products without those skills. You don't need much time to start. You can set these up quickly and easily. Once they are set up, they virtually run themselves, on autopilot. You don't need much money. You may even be able to set up your first few websites for free. If not, it is still dirt cheap to do. You don't need to be an expert. Following this step-by-step system, you will have no problem even if you are a newbie. A 6th grader could do this. You can set all of this up in record time. No matter what your experience level is. With this paint-by-numbers report, it couldn't be easier. If you have ever wanted to start making big money like you see other people doing all of the time, then this is your chance. You're going to learn how to create a successful and growing business. Not some fly-by-night ripoff. I'll let you in on all of those secrets and more inside the Easy Cash Blueprint report. Here are a few more things you will learn: how to get your own products without writing a single word, how to package ideas to boost sales, how to set up money-making sites quickly, the best places to find products that will make you the most money. How to skyrocket profits by adding an extra page to your website, how to boost sales with any product using one software program, how to give away 100% of the money and still make a killing. Using your new products to get content for traffic generation. See Step 3, how to get others to promote your products. How to get others to do all the work for you. How to duplicate your efforts to maximize profits. And more. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. These sites practically run themselves. It is truly set it and forget it marketing at its best. This is your big chance to get the closely guarded report fortune secrets. It is really that simple. You can have the exact steps and there is no need for some guru-like knowledge or years of technical experience to make money online. All you need is this package. Just click the link below to get instant access.